How to play music simultaneously on multiple phones. Welcome to Glitz Sorcerer and let's get right into this video. To play music simultaneously on your phone, just tap open your Spotify. Make sure that you have updated your Spotify application. And once you are in here, just play the music that you want to play on both of your device. Select on the music once you have started to play it. Now you can create a group session. In order to do so, just tap on the speaker icon at the bottom. In here, you will find the option called group session where you can connect to different devices and play music simultaneously. If you do not have this feature, it might mean two things. You are currently not upgraded to your latest version of your Spotify, or you have not signed in into a premium version of Spotify. If you want a premium version, it is pretty simple. Just tap on the user icon at the top and head to Settings and Privacy. In here, search for Upgrade to Premium or tap on the Account option at the top. In here, in the Plan option, you might find the Upgrade to Premium. You can just go ahead and check out the feature and pay for the required fee. After that, you'll be able to create group session to play music on multiple phones, which wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.